Hail everybody, it's that time of the month again. It's the House of Wizardry crate. This is the monthly one. It has just arrived for December, so let's open it up and see what we get. It's a potion, a pin, a t-shirt and a mystery item. Okay, I've got it open in front of me and here's the sneak peek. Interesting, maybe. Let's see. Something glass in here because we have these things which I just love popping. Oh, that was a disappointing one. Okay. All right then. Ooh, check it out. How cute. Thank you very much. Extras, freebies. Unless that's the mystery item. I doubt it. But cute, right? I shall find somewhere to put them or maybe even eat them. All right then. First thing out, we have what I'm assuming is going to be the pin. And I believe that the theme was Yule Ball. Ooh, it is the Yule Ball. Okay. Check it. There we go. That's the Yule Ball ticket. How cute. That is adorable. I love it. I'll show you close-ups of everything at the end. And then next, purple t-shirt. Ooh, okay. Love that. Because we had 3 black ones in a row and a blue one. And now we've got purple. All right, let's see. Oh, God. Okay. Eldritch Sisters crew t-shirt. Look at that. And then on the back. Ta-da! Okay, so that's the UK tour 1994. All right. That's fun. It's fun. It's a fun item. Okay, let's see what else does this say. Christmas ball. Okay, that's telling us who made the items. I actually quite like that t-shirt. It's not terrible. All right, let's have a look at the what I'm assuming is going to be the potion. House of Wizardry, they do some interesting things. Although I have been thinking about maybe getting the subscription box from America. That's Inigo coming in the door. If you ever see my door opening, you know there's a cat coming in. You know the wizarding trunk one? I've only had one of those and I absolutely loved it. So I need to give it some thought. Oh, wow. Oh, how nice. I actually love this. Look at that. Pumpkin juice. Yule ball. It's not going to focus, is it? There you are. And it does have luster in it. Oh, how pretty. Wow. Okay, cool. That is really nice. Pumpkin juice Yule ball, it says. Okay. And then finally, the mystery item. It's a little plain blue box. See what this is. Intriguing. Okay. Oh, that's really sweet. Okay, so it's a Christmas decoration of a snowflake. It's really pretty. My tree is green and white and red and ever so traditional, so it won't go with that at all, but I may find somewhere else to put this. That is really quite cute. Okay, all right then, let me show you the close-ups. Okay, here we go. Here are the 4 items. This one I think is probably my favourite, the Yule Ball Admit One ticket. That is really cute. It's got 2 little clasps on the back, and yeah, I love that. We have our decoration, the t-shirt. It's cool. It's a nice design. Let's see who made it. Okay, so t-shirt designed by House of Wizardry, Sisters on Tour. The potion is by Nins again, Pumpkin Juice Yule Ball 1994 edition. The pin, Ticket to the Ball by Lumos Pins, and the snowflake Christmas decoration by Created by the Cooks. Next month's theme is the twins. Oh, I'm going to need to hang around for that, aren't I? I love the twins. Okay, and this is beautiful. Look at the lovely silver luster in it. Oh my word. So it does say decoration only, please do not ingest. It does look good enough to eat. There is the cutest little pumpkin charm and a snowflake on the side. How lovely. As well as their beautiful seal that they always do. And yeah, I love that potion. So these are definitely my 2 favourite items. 2 out of 4 is not bad. This is really nice though. If you've got a you know, blue and silver tree, hook me up. I'll let you know. I'll let you have it. All right then, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Merry Christmas, and I will see you soon for the next one. Take care and stay safe, everybody.